was your form Mobibia Aquaba Shonko at the Eba too much GH so a dear Achi beam night for Sefata said and Sama AD him my gunny moo. Yet the best some more I was Aquam to most between any be at a woman. Then disagree and some of the Dana made a besomo. Yako and Semno Emuno Assembly SC a Masse and Bonte as so Granny a day above for and no our offense so no form. As some as who and say a brand already 27. Anything about that any quick boahini. One more ever come one no at work swap bruna was a form and then yapping a big money police for and a yen temper a call a year be a one more a bruno one can I say what one and ever and said I didn't hear it was a form much a brand one more action no na and column you know and my one you know one more a year between the ages of 4 and 3 back with the 4 na back to 83 years and I say watch you one and a watch a chill one no do more a good check bag na se bebi o do mo ko de o do mo ko akoye eni butayenti o chi nkola no ebusuafo na se unim se Ghana ha se ano ensema aba e de himpa e ritual killings eni eye kidnap ye keka wunti na se amanfo ni hu sa de na na wo mabufuo ekenya ya enu nti wo mu dina so e de ebro na enye asemketwa na emu onma e na tese offensive divisional police go for ebedu hana so mu ye ntempa ni prayer wo pra wo no na anod nti wo de ni kopie mu e was St Patrick Hospital and also our offense so police for guard e wo hono no na Chief Superintendent Benedict Wonchi ono enene eye journalist for ekasa ya wo kire ensem no emu de etuja sese sia de enkola no wo mo de wo mo akoma wo mo awofo na wo mo suspect say the suspect kweku boahin na say enkola no wo chi wo mo okro no mu no do mo pie fi kro no mu ai say na godo mo ewura bush bi e wo kro no mu na no na na so a obi oba ba kwa ohu ye no yi asotre ntempa frɛ amanfo na so mo to atwem wo mama nene so mo dero no etre ko ekira wo mo ebeche no a wo mo ebro nsakwa na brofka se mu say na police ni peni no Chief Superintendent Benedict Wonchi woden nsem no etu edwa say the suspect by the name Kweku Boahin, aged about 27 years, was with the said victims in a nearby bush on the outskirts of the township. He was suspected to have kidnapped the 2 children, and when an alarm was raised, he bolted and was later apprehended. He was severely beaten by his captives and he sustained injuries. He is currently on admission at the St. Patrick Hospital under police guard responding to treatment. However, the victims are safe and they have been handed over to their parents. Meanwhile, investigations are ongoing to find his accomplices. I wish you for a seminal I say a police for Penia or Domano case will handle or they etudra no. Now in a similar incident, no Muna just say the Sia de Accra has to know Prince of Saibiso only a 38-year-old driver. I will not say accused of kidnapping or no other 2 kids. I will also enam a year Accra security quota or no some no yedi or at the Amano. Now it was your fault the Ama and some no my ne agent ne I will be a can was me doing come on say Abranten no kwan of so e de che nkwala no ebiem so no de na wode nkwala no koye ene ebiem baby crop a wode nkwala no e say check back emu at say check back the Ghana ha if the di entire e friend no ye Ghana must go enu no krampo no nyema nye di gum na say ana breathing space bia enu na just wode nkwala mienu no e hye mu no amanfo say is either say organ harvesting and ritual killing ya na baso nyankuma de di nipa moja ne tese nipa ho akwa eya amanfo de pen won tem wenye ntina se womo de enkwala no kodisa eduma bi na bisu ne se kidnapping obachi womo akohye bebi no train womo na tese womo de child trafficking bi no womo de womo tukwan na womo apesika de ama womo ehoba ne niam no enyama bi sei no na sei no ehonsem adoso ewo oman yi emu ene we ya chiwe wa ha wo china ko nwe mu wa ha wo yira ene o china wa yira ta se enkola mienu no obi bi ta se den na enkola mienu no kwampo no ne nsa etimi ka womo ye so little children 3 years 4 years there say womo sa enkola sa na de se womo enya serious attention e dey feel o ma for and as one caretakers for until a quite ben so and an inside it's me a car and colano and when I am simply a man for air to a year I will for say sad brace and if you say air cono one when you are now also one when you are called mahu na de biada utoma jeje and teach you a year rural areas no a club who can sack a crave they say Johnny life a man do pay with me a placket one it miss man or to webra for her say well yes say now so 3 years ago so no be asa when the best man say na no act but na onu be asa to bet me show no ankasa no ho eso then na ban say na wo fo no etimi to wo man ajeje mu 4 years na 3 years e ma ta say kidnap yi etimi e che o ma ta say kenya nyame ene eye witness a wo hu o man kan kola yi bebi o mo da brekra e wo no na ta say yentimi e nkyere sesi a na nyame na be mu a na kan ne bonni so a e ba ko bi but ni nyam no e ya wo fo na ese sabre wo mo nhwe mo so no mo man entu o mo timi sesi a no ewiase mu ayehu wo bia pene ho entemenya onfa ho eye wo di ade bebro anaso wo how bia bebro se wenyan kwa na onya ne funu betimi nya ne ho ewo mu kwa de kwa bia waso no wo befa enti nkwala nketwa no yema yeni nko mo ne nhwe mo so sie jompo akodwuma wo mo wo eja wo mo ede amomo ye make sure say wo mo mato mo asese nkwala na ye ja de omomo no wo mo hwe mo kosi se obeba se ne be ya untimi nkwadwa na afide obeba na obebisa ba se na kwa SMP na afide nchirichi mu bebre na ba ye de radi asesa police for setimi aka nkola yo mode oma akoma awofo na yesa mane boya ene yesa eka ye na mede abesom na dwumeku ebo a ye so yese ye de ebremo ye wo charge herbal center ebusuafo se ye emema mpemu yare anase mpemu yare na asmampo na wo so wo metenete de ama bomodi ana form numbers no ewasio na se promo chekwan e wo dansuman ene salaga tamale na wo mo emwa e wo wo yare wo midi edna na ama ohusa follow too much gh wo Instagram Twitter so @too much gh _ Facebook too much gh makramunya bye bye.